What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel and thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be talking about my 5 spring lip picks. I'm so excited. It is finally warmer outside and it feels like it's here to stay. So I've officially put on a spring mani. Impress sent this set to me a while ago and I've just been dying to wear them for when it finally gets warmer. So this is the collaboration they did with Alice and Olivia and in the style Rise and Shine. There are glittery nails, like accent nails in this set, but I was just feeling the all white highlighter nail. So that's what I'm wearing. I always forget to mention it and it was top of mind today because I literally just put them on before this video. So that's what's on my nails. Let's talk more about spring lips. So I've narrowed it down to 5 product picks, but really these are just the colors that I'm absolutely, like color shades, finishes that I'm absolutely loving. I would totally recommend these products, but this is also meant to be like an inspiration video. If you're looking to change up your makeup game for spring and you just want some fresh colors in your palette, this is what I would recommend and what I think I'm going to be loving in the coming months. First, I want to start with the gloss. For some reason in cooler months, I tend to go for a heavier lip. Not just a bolder or a deeper lip, but just heavier in texture, like matte, full coverage lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, and there's something about spring and summer that just makes me want to keep it light and fresh with something like a balm or a gloss. So you're going to see lots of balmy, glossy textures in this, some matte textures, but balmy, glossy things too. Starting with this Gloss Angeles, or this Smashbox Gloss Angeles lip gloss. I swatched the whole line, but the one that has really struck me as a spring summer favorite is the Hustle and Glow shade, because it's this clear base with iridescent pink, golden, purpley green shimmer. It's like a trichrome. It's absolutely beautiful, but very subtle on the lips. You can barely tell there's any glitter there. It just gives you like a hint of color to your lips. And that's if you wear it alone, but like I threw it over another lipstick that I'm going to talk about here later, and I really love it as a sheen over top that just adds a little bit of fresh complexity to it because it has those pigments in there with those different colors to them. Speaking of what's on my lips right now, might as well talk about the other product I'm wearing. It is one of the shades from the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout collection. Again, have a video swatching all the shades in this collection as well, but this one spoke to me for summer because it's a hot pink and it's one that I pretty much come back to every year. But I really like this. The shade is Pinkaholics, by the way, 754B Pinkaholics, and I love this because it is a true hot pink. The formula with all of these across the board is like super opaque, very lightweight, and moisturizing for a matte formula, which is kind of surprising. And I love that this gives you a really bold pop of pink. And then my third pick is actually kind of similar to a hot pink, but it adds that purple element. And I don't know why I gravitate towards like brighter, bolder, and maybe a little bit more wilder shades for me, shades that are outside of my comfort zone in the warmer months. You can truly wear any of these shades year round. This just happens to be what I gravitate towards. But I love a good bright purple. This is from the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick Collection. And I've talked about, I'm pretty sure, all of these products here on the channel before, so you can see them all in one video or another that I will link down below, because yet again, I have a video swatching this whole collection as well when Wet n Wild sent them to me a while back. But the shade that I picked is called Berry Down Low, or 947B, and I love it because it is just this bold but yet still pastel-leaning purpley fuchsia shade. Like I said, very similar to the pink that I'm wearing, but just makes it a little bit more interesting with that purple or like orchid element that I really, really love. Then my fourth pick is an orange. I don't think I can go through warm weather months without a bright, bold orange. This one I just recently talked about in my Glossier Play review of the Playground. The lip that I ordered with that is the shade Casino. This is it's the only lip they have from Glossier Play, the Vinylic lip, and it's supposed to be a high shine lacquer, but like I mentioned in that review, you can get a high shine lacquer if you really layer it up, but I don't find that effect lasts all that long. So the way that I prefer to wear this is just as a really light wash of color across the lid. And don't get me wrong, by light, I don't mean it's any less pigmented. Like, it's very boldly pigmented, but rather than being this ultra opaque orange, it's more like a bold popsicle stain lip orange. And this fuzzy applicator here gives you this really beautiful kind of undone feeling border around your lips. I know that doesn't sound like something you'd want out of a lip product, but it doesn't give you a crisp lip line, and that's okay. It's like a really nice, undone, but still put together feeling lip because you have the balance of a blurred lip line, but still a bold lip color, and for some reason it just works, and I love it, especially in this orange shade. And last, pick number 5 is a red. Red is just a year-round color for me, but personally it's the difference between going deep, dark, sultry like an oxblood or a crimson shade in the cooler months, and then really amping it up and getting something really hot and spicy for the warmer months. So the shade that I picked, this is from Nude Sticks. This is an intense matte lip and cheek pencil, so you can also use this, and I love doing this on both your lips and then really diffuse it across your cheeks for a beautiful and intense blush. But this is the shade Stiletto, and I think it really walks the line of a true red and a warm red. Like I've worn this with cooler color palettes, but I've also worn it with warmer. And when I wear it with a warm tone facial look, it just gets a little bit more fiery and orange leaning. It's what I was wearing in my March favorites video, and I thought it looked pretty orange there. I think it's a really versatile red, which is why I like it so much, and just in general, I love the bright contrast it gives me against the kind of deeper, darker reds that I've been wearing for the past few months. So those are all of my spring, probably summer lip picks too. I'd love to hear what you guys are using more. Do you tend to change your lip game up? Do you just wear more of the same, or do you kind of selectively bring you know, a new lip product here, a new lip product there, just to slowly incorporate into your collection as the seasons change? Let me know down in the comments below. Besides that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.